on this one. Farmer Phil, your TQ up on that number 1 spot. Edinburgh on the 2. Filthy on 3. Paul Edinburgh on 4. And Larry on 5. All right, guys. Marshall's spot's pretty good. Let's have a good clean start. Well, awesome was awesome. Let's do it again. Marshall's be on your toes. Drivers racing less than 5 on the film. There we go. Paul a little bit of trouble. Larry goes to the inside already. Top 2 breaking away. Oh, and Zach stuffed it for Filthy's right there. Tries to go over the top of him. He gets rolled. Go.
16-5, 17-9, 18-7. 25-1.
Farmer Phil, your TQ running out front right now. Zach Edinburgh trying to chase him down. He's got a 1.4 second gap up to that top spot.
17-8.
And then a 5 second gap back down to Filthy.
25, 16-6, 16-6.
4 minutes left.
Close battle there between Filthy and Paul. 2 drivers separated by a second and a half. Looks like your leader is getting chased down. Last time 1.4. Looks to be less than that this time.
17-1.
About the same. Farmer Phil going to the berm corner, up over the back double, down straight.
18-8.
Is leading us right now. Zach Edinburgh in the 2 spot.
18-3. 18-4. 21-0. 18-2. 18-7. 17-2.
Alrighty, Phil's still out front. About 5 seconds ahead of Zach. Right in that area. Filthy's about 6.7 back. Paul's about 3.3 back from him.
17-4.
And Larry's a lap down. So Phil, Zach, Filthy, Paul, Larry.
17-3. 18-3. 17-4.
There really isn't any close battle.
5-0.
Phil's only about 2 corners ahead of Zach.
17-1.
2 minutes left.
Got 3 in the books, 2 to go.
18-3. 17-1. 16-8. 16-8.
5.2 now is the gap between Phil and Zach. Zach or Phil's kind of opened it up a little bit, but he's got a little bit of traffic ahead of him. Got one there, crashed in the double. He's got Filthy ahead of him, Filthy lets him by. So now Phil's got clear track, and Zach's going to have to get through the traffic to get there.
16-6. 18-3.
Still turns to 16.6 going through traffic.
17-9. 23-9.
Minute left.
1 minute left.
Orders Phil, Zach, Filthy, Paul, Larry.
18-5. 16-9. 23-6. 20-25. 16-6. 16-9. 16-9, 23.4. 4.
Both Phil and Zach are on 19 laps.
9.
Zach's just holding on to a 19 with a 515.
18.4.
Phil's on a 507. That is time. Cross the line, you'll be done. Filthy's done, and takes third. Paul's done, takes fourth. Phil's done, takes the first plate spot. Comes Zach and Larry.
Car 2 is done.
Zach is done. 19.516 for him, 19.507 for Phil.